So yeah, I built it completely from scratch. I designed the 3D model. I designed the circuit boards. I designed the circuits. Yeah, pretty much everything about it is from scratch. Looking over data sheets and trying to understand how different things work. It's an embedded 80 mega 3226 on a little triangle circuit board like that. That was just my testing one for just the processor, which is right there.
Okay, cool.
A whole bunch of other stuff around it. It's also extremely over-engineered because there's a whole accelerometer in it, and it's only sensing like the tip, and so you could really just use like a gravity switch and like make it a lot simpler. But it has an accelerometer, so like eventually, if I wanted to do something like have like an actual like sand gravity effect, or like if you tilt it, it goes to the side. Like that's possible with this, and it's rechargeable, so it has a 18650 cell in the center of it, and then a charge circuit, a boost circuit, and then everything else. If I turn it on here, it counts down up top here, and then I made a little like sand falling effect, and then as it hits 0, it'll slowly turn yellow, and then it'll turn red right at the end, and then it has a little buzzer in it.
That's awesome. Amazing.
And you can set the time on it. Oops, wrong one. I haven't labeled the buttons yet, so there's 3 buttons on the top for because right now when it does that like buzzing thing, you can't change anything. So if I just turn it off and on, it'll reset, and then I can mess with it. So you can go up to 99 seconds, and then it'll do the same thing, except these will go down slower and just like you'd expect. But also if you tip it, it resets the time. And then it flips it, so now the sand is falling that way. And so every time you flip it, it resets the time. So like if you have like a fast-paced game where you need to like start right away, you can just like quickly flip it over and have the next person go, and have the next person go, and just keep flipping like that. And every time you flip it, it'll restart. And you can restart with the button up top. And yeah,
That's awesome.
Wow. Nice work, Finley.